the first category in the money proxy switch words chanting, the first category is business. So any aspect pertaining to business. So we have given the three different intention. One is usually we would like to attract clients and increase the sales. In the same category, the second intention is growth and profit. And the third is to attract a good deal. So basically, you can use this number code to grow your business. That is 790329395. That is for your business, overall general business. For a specific intention, the switch words will be changed. So we have come up with a different category. After that, the first is business. In that, there are three different intention. So you can pick any of the intention as per your requirement. Are you looking for a client? Would you like to increase the sales? Would you like to grow in your business, profit? Everybody needs, right? And to attract good deal. So this is about the category one. It's a business.
All right. And Kushali, because it will come up as a question for sure. So I'm asking you 790329395 has to be said exactly like this. How many times a day minimum and how many days minimum?
So first you have to say your name. Okay. You have to say your name, then intention, that is business growth. And then you have to chant as a single or plain digit. That is means 790329395. 790329395. So this way you have to chant at least 10 to 15 minutes and twice in a day. Twice in a day, and each time 10 to 15 minutes. With full faith and concentration, hold your intention throughout the chanting.
So if I was to do this, or if anybody was to do this, this is how it would go, right, Kushali?
Yes, correct.
I, Neelu K. Bhandari, have the intention to attract clients and increase sales. And straight away, then I start chanting 790329395.
Correct. Right? Yeah, you can do so. Correct.
10 to 15 minutes, at least twice a day. People don't worry, there is a solution for that also. Just go through the switch words first, and we'll give you, Kushali will give you an option there as well. There you go.
The second category. Second category is job. Whether you are looking for a new job or you would like to switch the job. So we have a first category is to get a new job or to switch a job. Second is the promotion. Third is salary increment. I think few minutes back, someone has asked for a salary increment.
Yes.
So you are into right. This is a right category for you, salary increment. And then this is also important, full and final settlement from the company. Because if you will not get it, then how you will be able to switch the job? Because everybody need a final settlement. It's a big amount.
Right.
So we can't let it go. So second category is job. For the job, this is a number code that is 7493151. 7493151. So again, as usual, this is just a number code, but I would suggest chant a switch phrase along with a number code. Okay. So like I have given you previously one switch phrase for job. So chant that switch phrase plus the number code. So 7493151. 7493151. So basically, as of now, I'm giving you the generalized number codes and switch phrase. Then as per your intention, we will make the changes in switch phrase. Oh, very difficult aspect, stuck money. Many people are facing these issues, stuck money.
Sorry, Kushali, just coming in very quickly. You said it's written here, recover stuck money from business or person. So this will help Seema, right?
Yes, correct.
Seema, here it is for you. Go ahead, sorry, Kushali.
Okay. So the third category is stuck money. To recover a stuck money from a business or a person. So the number code is 63262971. So there I have given you the two number codes. So you cannot chant both together. It means first you set an intention, say your name, and then you have to chant 63262971 for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Then you have to chant the another number code, that is 8787734. 8787734. So first you chant 8 to 10, at least 8 to 10 minutes, one number code, and then you chant another number code. So that's how you have to follow the process, and minimum twice in a day.
Right. So Kushali, with this one, will you set the intention twice, or will you say it 8 to 10 minutes with the 63262971 And then once that is done, just move to 878773.
No, again,
or is it
no,
two separate intentions?
yeah, actually you can do a common intention, but usually I do a separate intention,
Right.
because we have to continuously hold that intention, which is very much important,
Right.
to manifest and to tap your subconscious mind.
And
so the
there's
next
property.
category is property. So the first is to sell property at desired rate. The second is to buy property at a good rate. Third is to rent out property at good rate. And fourth is equal distribution of wealth among partners or siblings. So basically for your property, the number code is, it's a general number code for property, which is 9751989931. 9751989931. Neelu, can we call Mr. Viraj, because he would like to share his testimonial for the property matter?
Sure, absolutely. Before we get him on, Kushali, just asking you very quickly, so far the things that you've given with these number codes, if one wants to write them, is it a common color? Is it like green with a red circle, or is it blue pen with for all of them?
For blue pen you can use it for any intention. So if you do not have the much idea about which color when to be used, then better to use blue one.
And if you're writing it on your hand, it's a number code, so does it need to be circled?
Yeah, you need to encircle it to hold that energy. So you need to, the same way I have mentioned the number code, one circle and inside the number code. So same way you can write it down on the body part also, but I would strongly suggest chanting is mandatory, because these are the stubborn issues. You need a lot of chanting.